At Electric Supply Source, our thermal imaging diagnostic service gives you the power to see problems before they even happen. Using high-resolution infrared cameras, we scan your electrical panels, equipment, and infrastructure to detect overheating components, loose connections, or hidden faults without even shutting down your operation. This matters because most electrical failures start with heat. Thermal imaging identifies those early warning signs before they become shutdowns, fires, or costly repairs. It's fast, non-invasive, and incredibly effective. You'll get clear thermal images and a detailed report to protect your system and bottom line. From compliance to safety to preventing unexpected downtime, thermal diagnostics isn't optional. It's smart maintenance. Let Electric Supply Source keep your systems cool, safe, and running strong. Visit electricsupplysource.co or call 915-217-2200 to schedule your next scan.